to the Hawker Fury ISS. ISS, in this context, stands for Iraqi Single Seat, because this aircraft isn't specifically a Sea Fury. One of those comes later in the programme. And this is appropriate because the design that became the Sea Fury started out as a concept for a land-based fighter. Hawker conceived what they called the Tempest Light Fighter as a replacement for its outstanding Hawker Tempest for the RAF. Well, when World War II came to a close, there was no longer an Air Force requirement, but development of the Sea Fury for the Fleet Air Arm continued. The land-based Fury had taken to the air on the 1st of September 1944. The Sea Fury followed on the 25th of February 1945, and that October it entered service with the Fleet Air Arm of the Royal Navy. Problems in the early days. The then aeroplane and armament experimental establishment, the A&AE at Boscombe Down, deemed the Sea Fury unsuitable as a carrier-borne fighter. It wasn't considered suitable for deck operation because of some difficult handling characteristics. Nonetheless, the Sea Fury started to replace the Supermarine Seafire. Type really won its spurs, and we'll tell you more about that when we see the Sea Fury flying later. This is an ex-Iraqi Air Force Fury because Iraq and Pakistan, amongst others, purchased the non-navalised versions. Since coming to the UK, it's owned by Anglia Aircraft Restorations, operated by Air Leasing. The beautiful sound is that of the 2,500 horsepower Bristol Centaurus 18 radial engine. Increasing numbers of Furies and Sea Furies have, in recent years, begun to be re-engined with American-built Wright and Pratt & Whitney engines, all the nicer to hear the sound of the Centaurus in this one and the Sea Fury later on. It should be said, though, that usability, as it were, of the aircraft is substantially increased by substituting the power plant, and those are illustrious American radials in their own right.